wherever you are, are you dancing on the dance floor, drinking by the bar? Tonight we do it big and shining like stars, and we don't give a fuck, 'cause that's just who we are. And we are the crazy kids, the crazy kids.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a power surge has occurred in several 911 facilities across the country. As a result, 911 telephone services are inoperable at this time. The cause of the surge is currently unknown. However, it has occurred in all locations at the same exact time. These locations affected include, but are not limited to, Baltimore, Cleveland, Columbus, Buffalo, Pittsburgh, Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Philadelphia, New York City, Washington, D.C., Boston, Nashville, Memphis, St. Louis, Milwaukee, Birmingham, Atlanta, Raleigh, Jacksonville, Miami, New Orleans, Little Rock, Kansas City, Dallas, Houston, Oklahoma City, Wichita, Omaha, Minneapolis, Green Bay, Phoenix, Albuquerque, Denver, Salt Lake City, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, and Seattle. Residents living in or near these cities will not have access to police, fire, or EMS services during this outage. If you have a life-threatening emergency, you may call an alternate phone line set up by your local authorities. You may also go to your local police or fire station regarding your emergency. This message applies to all areas receiving this broadcast. The FBI and FCC are working to identify the problem, and it will be resolved as quickly as possible. Stay tuned to local radio, television, or internet sources for the latest details or updates.